Tignan nyo. Yun. Kumalma agad. Pahihintuin pa natin. At tuloy na huminto. But the thunder, screaming. Hindi pwede yan. Yan. Yung kaninang malakas ngayon, mahina na. Huminto na. You're welcome. May pasok ang mga bata eh. Di ba guys? Pero makakaramdam at makakarinig kayo ng sobrang titinding kulog at kidlat. Because today is the day that my cult, my wife, my best friend agreed to be my official cult member. Acknowledge me. And this is the final result. Completely gone. Not a single drop. See? Tahimik. Yung mga bata makakapasok ka ng maayos. Sa area ng General Trias, Cavite. At Dasmariñas. Yes, po, speech rap. Acknowledge me.